Viruses are submicroscopic entities consisting of a single nucleic acid surrounding by a protein coat. They can only replicate within a living cell. They can either be DNA or RNA, and they can be linear or circular. They are not cells and they are not alive. So looking at the virus, the purple is DNA or RNA, there's the capsid or the head, there's the tail fibers, there's the pin, the base pin which is in the red, and then the sheath.
Once the virus injects itself into the cell, it can either go through the lytic or the lysogenic cycle. In the lysogenic cycle, the virus attaches to the cell and injects its DNA. It then inserts itself into the bacterial chromosome. The bacteria reproduces normally, replicating the viral DNA, producing a lot of cells containing the virus. However, sometimes the viral DNA separates and reproduces as new viral DNA, and eventually the cell lyses, producing multiple bacteriophages that go infect other cells.
Human mitochondrial DNA is circular and generally small. There are 5 to 10 copies per organelle in vertebrates and 20 to 40 in plants. This DNA encodes for rRNAs, tRNAs, and 13 polypeptides in humans. There are 2 different types: ancestral, that retain many characteristics of their eubacterial ancestors, and then derived. These differ from the eubacterial ancestors. So if you look here, the red is the heavy strand, and there's also a yellow, which is light strand. These two strands are notably different in base composition. The H strand have purines, which is A and G, and this encodes for more genes than the L strand. The L strands have pyrimidines, and this is T, C, and U. The D loop is a short region where most of the replication and transcription is controlled, and you can see it right here on the heavy strand.
Endosymbiont theory suggests that eukaryotic cells engulfed alpha proteobacteria because of their efficiency in respiration to create modern-day mitochondria. To create the modern-day plant cell, it is hypothesized that an anaerobic eukaryotic cell engulfed both the proteobacteria to become the mitochondria and a cyanobacteria to become the chloroplasts.